Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can use your Land Rover app to know information about your car. So here on the top, you're going to find the name of your car that you rode. My name is Angelica. I have Range Rover Evoque. Then you're gonna have the plate number, and then we're gonna find here kilometers. So when you're gonna be in service, or someone is going to ask you, like for example, my accountant asked me like how many kilometers my car got, I can always check it in the app right here, and I don't have to enter my car. Now then, right under it, I'm not going to press it, but here you're going to find the address. Do you see that arrow? When you would press on this address, here you're going to find the exact location where your car is right now. Why this is amazing? Only because, let's say you have two cars, and girlfriend is going to take like the Range Rover that you got, or Land Rover. So she's going to get somewhere, and she got stuck, and you have to get her, right? And what you can do, you would press just this, and it would get you like the exact location where is the car, and you can just use Google Maps to get there. In that way, this is amazing. And you can always check if your car is safe and if everything's fine by just pressing here on the address to actually know where it is. Where, let's say that you're gonna go on some party and you're not okay if, let's say, the car is going to be parked somewhere and you just want to check it, you can always do it right here when you're gonna click. Next, you're gonna have the range. So the range, I can click on it, but this is how much fuel I got. I got 100% right now. And this is also good when, let's say that you want to travel somewhere and you want to check how many kilometers, let's say it's going to be 200 kilometers. And you're gonna actually know that, okay, I have still a lot of fuel. Then you're gonna have security. This is important. So click on security. This is really amazing because you can always check, because let's say there is a raining, there is a snow, and you want to check if you closed all the windows. You can always see it right here. This saved me so much trouble in past because I just checked, it started raining, and I'm like, okay, did I close all the windows? Did the kids close the windows? So what I would do is that I would just click on security and I would check, yes, they are closed, or they are not. I would just like go and close them, or like the trunk, hood, status, or windows. Then you're gonna have vehicle log reminders. Remind me if the vehicle is left unlocked for 15 minutes. This is also really good to have turned on. Then you can have status. So I have right now washer fluid low. This is also good to actually see what you have to do and what you have to put to your car, right? So like the AdBlue, or right now I have the top up for the washer fluid, and then you're gonna have the service when it's due, and all those things you're gonna find right here regards the information about your car. Maybe I don't know what kind of car you have. Maybe you're gonna find different things there. Then when we're gonna go further, next to the home, you're gonna have remote. So when you would press on the remote, I would just scan it, and you would add a pin code. What you can do here, so you can turn on climate. So let's say it's really hot outside, and you just want to prepare the car. You would just like turn on the climate, and then you're gonna have the target temperature. Then you're gonna have door lock. So this is how I can easily like unlock and lock my car. I'm not going to unlock right now, but I would just like swipe up, and then I would just like unlock it, and it works really well. But sometimes it's bugged for some reason. I don't really know why. Sometimes it's working, but let's say 2 out of 10 times it didn't work, and then you're gonna have beep and flash. So let's say you are in a parking spot and you don't know where is your car. You forgot when you go like on a free stairs, or how it's called, like garage in a center, right? And you don't know. You're just gonna press and hold it, and then you're gonna get beep and flash. Now then, I'm not going to click on the last thing, also because of the safety of me and stuff like that. I don't want to like see you where I live. So here you're gonna have the journey, the next thing, and there you would find all the journeys that you traveled. So if you traveled to some cities and everywhere, then you would just find it right there. So where did you go, from where to where, and you can always check. There is something really good about it. I will just show you. You can always check also there what was your leaders. Wait a second, I'm going to show you in a way that is like not possible to see. I hope you understand this. So here you see it. When you would have your where did you drive, here you're gonna have duration, average speed, distance, and you're gonna have efficiency. So this efficiency, how many liters for 100 kilometers, is really good to see. So there you're gonna find always some information when you're gonna click on the journey, and then you would choose you would choose like whatever journey you had, you're going to find efficiency. This is something that I really like to do when I always want to check, like let's say someone asks me, wants to pay for my fuel, but I don't know what is my average efficiency. So I just look in the app based on average, and I just calculate it. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this quick app tutorial. I hope it helps you. Have a great day and goodbye.